If you've been looking for that natural brightening soap that would naturally brighten your skin, this is a video you want to watch to the end. I'm going to be showing you how to make tomato and carrot soap that will help to brighten your skin, that will help to even out your skin tone, that will help to clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation, okay, without hurting your skin. So this is a pure natural soap you want to learn how to make, and you are going to love this one because this soap will make your skin naturally flawless. This soap you're seeing here will not strip off your skin's natural oil. It will help to balance your skin's natural oil. And the pretty and most wonderful thing about this soap is that it's easy to make and you can get the ingredients in any location you are. So make sure you watch this video to the end as I'm going to be walking you through on how to make this DIY natural soap that will help to clear dark spots, that will help to smoothen out your skin. You don't have to spend tons of money, okay, to have this soap, okay. This soap is low budget and it does the job. Like, it's going to make your skin smooth and it's going to make you achieve that overall beautiful skin, okay. So to make this soap, you need carrot. Of course, we know carrot is very nice to the skin. It contains carotene. Carrot helps to brighten the skin. It's a natural skin brightener, okay. And as you guys can see, we have to peel out the back of the carrot. We don't need the back of the carrot, so you need to take out your time to peel out the back of the carrot. So before peeling out the back of the carrot, make sure that you wash the carrot thoroughly. So carrot is good for overall skincare, and of course we know that carrot is used to make most natural skincare product. So carrot is natural, it doesn't bleach your skin, but it's a natural skin brightener that will help to even out your skin tone, that will help to brighten out your skin, that will help you to achieve that overall beautiful skin. So as you guys can see, I'm taking my time to get rid of the back because the back, is not really bright. So as you guys can see, I'm done peeling the back of the carrot and I washed it. Then I'm grating the carrot. So you need to grate the carrot even if you choose to blend the carrot, okay. We don't need water here, so that is why I opt in for this particular option of grating the carrot, okay. But if you have another alternative means of grating the carrot without adding water, okay, you can go for that method. But I prefer this particular method because I would not have the option of adding water because we don't need water in this soap. Rather, we need the main carrot juice. So take your time to grate the carrot so as to get just the juice, okay. So this is me done with grating the carrot. The next thing we are going to grate is tomatoes. We know tomatoes is power packed, like it's packed with a whole lot of benefits that your skin will love, okay. So tomato contains vitamin C, and we know vitamin C is a natural skin brightener. So this soap will be a super brightening soap that will not bleach your skin but will naturally make your skin pop. So this is an easy natural soap anyone can make to achieve a beautiful skin. And as you guys can see, we are done grating the tomato. So after grating the tomato, you get a clean plate, then you get a cheesecloth, then you transfer the grated tomatoes and the grated carrot into the cheesecloth. And what we are going to do is to gently, squeeze out the juice of the tomato and the carrot, okay. So guys, this soap is an amazing soap. Like, you're going to see a difference. It's going to help to naturally brighten out your skin, make your skin flawless. So as you guys can see, we are squeezing out the juice from the grated tomatoes and the grated carrot, okay. So the best thing to use is a cheesecloth so that you don't have particles in the juice. And as you guys can see, the carrot and tomato juice is ready. So we're going to add half teaspoon of mulberry extract and we're going to mix. So mulberry extract is another skin brightening ingredient that will help to brighten your skin, that will help to even out your skin tone. So that aside, the next thing you're going to do is to get a soap base, okay, a melt and pour soap base. So this is a melt and pour soap base or a glycerin soap base, okay. This is the best option, okay, to make this soap with. And as you guys can see, I'm cutting the soap base into chunks. So I'm cutting it into chunks so that it will be easy to melt, okay. So you can get any melt and pour soap base. We have goat milk melt and pour soap base or any glycerin soap base. Why glycerin soap base is because these are highly meltable soap bases, okay? So it will be easy for you to melt this soap. So as you guys can see, you mustn't start making soap from scratch before you make this, simple natural soap, okay? With your soap base, you can just make the soap. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm putting the soap into a plate and I'm going to double boil it, and make sure that you're using a heat resistant plate, okay? Right, so, and as you guys can see, the soap has melted. So after melting the soap, the next thing you're going to do is to add the tomato and carrot juice. So gently add, and then you keep mixing and mixing. So once everything is well incorporated, it's time for us to remove it from heat. So guys, anyone can make the soup, and as you guys can see, it's easy to come up with. Just follow this process and make the soup for yourself, and your skin is going to thank you. And the amazing thing is that this soup is highly natural, okay? So this is okay. The next thing you're going to do is to remove from heat, then you add vitamin E, then you add preservative, okay, to prolong the shelf life of this soup, right? So after that, you're going to stir and stir. Make sure you gently stir the soup, okay? So once you stir and make sure that everything is well incorporated, the next thing you're going to do is to transfer it to a mold. So guys, this soap is super, like, you're going to love it, and it's what you want to try out. So make sure you get a mold. You can get any type of mold, but this is a silicone mold. You don't need to start greasing it, okay, with oil. But if you don't have a silicone mold, it's advisable that you grease the mold with oil so that it will not stick once the soap is congealed. So a silicone mold is best. If you can get a silicone mold, that would be nice, okay? You don't need to start greasing, the mold with any form of oil. Once you pour in your soap, okay, it can easily come out once the soap hardens, okay? So as you guys can see, we are going to leave it, okay, in room temperature for about 24 hours, or when it solidifies, okay? And as you guys can see, the soap is solidified now. So once the soap solidifies, it's going to be easy to come out from the mold. As you guys can see, it's easy to come out from the mold. And as you guys can see, we have an amazing tomato carrot soup. Guys, as you guys can see, this soup is easy and anyone can make the soup. So the amazing thing about this soup is that it's budget friendly and it's effective and it does the job. So we have a soap here. Our soap has been unmolded. Okay, all you need to do is just to wrap the soap. Okay, our soap is ready. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so here we have a very, very effective tomato carrot soap. So this soap, like I said, will help you to achieve that flawless skin. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye.